articulatory techniques for the middle line and the lateral line. You remember, two vectors acting in opposite directions. My suggestion also is to have your own leg of the bed, so to leave some stress for your own back. And again, the contact is around the metacarpophalangeal joint of the second finger. And in this kind of work, contact, I block here, and then move the two articular segments, one on each other. Here, and I can move in different areas of the foot. This is for the middle compartment. If I want to work on the lateral compartment, I don't change the side of the bed, but I just take the other foot. And the technique is exactly the same idea.